What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Life. Today I am going to share with you 3 big mistakes that Nailtech makes that ends their career. And I do not want you to make the same mistake. I want you to progress. I want you to continue growing as a nail tech. My name is Min. I am a nail technician for 15 plus years. I built my own salon from ground up, and all I want to do is share with you all my knowledge, all my experience, so that you can become a great nail tech. As a nail tech since I was 18, it was hard. I knew how hard it was finding clientele, perfecting your craft, and really having the patience to go through all your failures. And that is why a lot of nail tech make these 3 simple mistakes that really ends their career. By the end of this video, my goal is that once you hear these 3 mistakes, you're going to tell yourself you're not going to make this 3 mistakes. Let's get it, yo. The first mistake that they make is lack of patience. As a nail tech coming into the industry, don't set yourself up where you're only giving yourself 6 months, a year, or 2 years. Sometimes everybody starts out the same but ends differently. Sometimes you have to give yourself way more time than what you need because everybody's different. It takes time to grow, and all I see throughout my career is that there's so many people that give themselves 6 months and they just kind of fall off the wagon, a year. Sometimes it could take more, but the longer you are in it, the better you're going to get. The longer you're in it, more people gonna know who you are, and the longer you in it, you're gonna understand that it does take hard work to build a strong clientele as you are getting into the industry. So don't be lack of patience. Give yourself enough time to grow. Give yourself enough time for your craft to get better, and give yourself enough time so more people get to know who you are as a nail tech. That's the biggest mistake that you do not want to get yourself involved, is giving yourself not enough time to grow. The second mistake that I always see that nail techs eventually fall off the wagon is refusing service. Why are you getting into the nail industry and you only pick one particular service that you're comfortable with? As a nail tech, you need to learn how to work outside your comfort zone. You are an artist. You're not there to remember the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. You're not going to be a robot. You are an artist. You must learn new technique, trending things that keep you alive as a nail tech, to keep you in trend with what is going on. And refusing service is going to limit yourself from other clients that requires those other services. So it is important as a nail tech that you continue to learn, adapt, and try to learn more service as you go. The more service you're able to offer, the more clients gonna want you as a demand. So keep that in mind. I see so many nail techs just wanting to do a full set. They don't do backfill, they don't do soak off, they don't do other stuff like manicures, and sometimes they only do certain tasks that only brings in a certain amount of money and a certain amount of clients. If you're able to do it all, you are going to be able to get variety of all the clients you want. So that is the second mistake that I see a lot of nail tech makes, and it really ruins their career. So don't do that to yourself. Adapt to all the service you can so that you can offer more service to your clients. Last but not least is the third mistake. If you guys are really enjoying this content so far, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel so that when I produce my video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you're gonna get all the notification and all the fun educational entertainment. The third mistake that I find a lot of nail techs makes that makes them quit doing nails is not being available. Being available is so important as a nail tech. When you guys are growing into a new career, being available is what you all need. You cannot go to school, get your license, and you want to work only 2 days unless you have another job. But if you decide that you're going to commit to doing nails full-time as a career, you have to be available. I know a lot of nail tech has things that outside of life that will stop them from working full time, like having kids, no daycare, going to school. But you have to make time if you want to grow and make money as a nail tech. I don't see how you want to make money but you don't put in the time. I don't see how the client's gonna reach out to you if you're not available. So being available is so important, and I do wish that all of you, after listening to this video, you're going to start looking at your book, planning out your days, and really letting the clients know your availability. And that is how you're going to stabilize your career as a nail tech, by not making that 3 mistake. So remember, give yourself some time. Don't be lack of patience. Do not refuse services. And remember, always be available for your clients. Those are the 3 things that you can do for your clients so that you can keep building more clients for yourself, growing your career as a nail tech. And if you find value in this content today, please like the video, share this video to somebody that you know that needs to hear this, and really subscribe to the channel so that you can get notification on all my latest content coming out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you really want to learn how to do a beautiful pink color ombre, check out this video. This video is gonna help you out. I'll see y'all next time.